Good morning students. This is the fourth video on this chapter linear equations in one variable. Okay, in this video we will solve some of the interesting word problem also called story problems. Okay, let's start it, and also the questions are from your book and the chapter name is the exercise 7b. From the exercise 7b we are going to solve some of the questions. So look at question number 1. The sum of Ritu's age and Asu's age is 25. There are two persons. One is Ritu, another is Asu. So both the sum of the age is given 25. Together they are 25. Ritu is 12 years old. Here the age of Ritu is given. So how much? That is 12 years. So in the story problem, first try to understand the question. If you understand the question like a story, it will be very easy to solve it. So here Ritu is given how much? That is 12 years. And write an equation to find Asu's age. So you have to find out the Asu's age. So in the question, what is asking that you take as x. So let Asu's age, Asu's age is how much? X years. So here I am taking Asu's age as x year. And also Ritu age is given. So what is the equation now? So according to the question, I am writing here according to the question, Ritu's age is 12 years and Asu's age is x years. So x plus 12 equal to how much? In the question given, the sum of their ages is how much? That is 25. So write equal to 25 years. So x equal to how much? X equal to, so here 12 will be transposed because we have to find out the value of x. If x value we need, then plus 12 will be transposed to other side, that is RHS. So transpose is 12 minus 12 because here 12 is plus positive number. When it is transposed, it becomes minus 12. So 25 minus 12, what is the value? Let's minus it. 5 minus 2, 3, and here 2 minus 1, 1. That is 13 years. So we got the value of x as 13 years. So what is x? That is the Asu's age. So therefore write therefore Asu's age is 13 years. So like this you can solve the story problem. First you have to find out the equation. That is very important. To make the equation is very important. If you make the equation, then it is very easy to find out the unknown quantity. The unknown quantity is the question what is asking. Okay. Now look at question number 3 here. In question number 3 it says that 7 times a number decreased by 3 equals 18. This story problem you have to understand by the English language. So 7 times means 7 multiplied by a number. Here the number is asking, find the number. So let the number will be x. So let the number is x. So here we are taking the number as x. So according to the question, I am writing here according to the question, 7 times means 7 into what? That number, that is x. 7x, how much? Decreased by 3. So 7x decreased means minus. So minus how much? That is 3. Right here 3 equal to how much? That is 18. You can get the equation here. Or 7x equal minus 3 equal to 18. So here you have to find out this x value. So that first you have to transpose this minus 3 to other side, or 7x equal to 18 plus 3. Here 3 is minus 3 is transposed. Minus 3 is transposed means it will go to the right hand side and become positive. So 18 plus 3 is how much? That is 21. Or again see here, 7 is added multiplied with x. 7 also to be transposed to the other side. So 7x equal to 21, or x equal to how much? Here 21 will be divided by 7. 7 is multiplied here. When it is transposed to other side, it will be divided. So 21 divided 7 is how much? That is 3, because 7 3 is 21. So what we get here? That is x equal to 3. What is x? That is the number. So from the beginning we are taking let the number, means x is the number. Therefore, what question I am asking? Find the number. So the number is how much? Number is 3. Okay. Now students, we will see question number 12. So what is the question number 12 of exercise 7b? Question says that Sunil is 48 years old. He is 7 years less than 5 times his daughter's age. What is his daughter's age? So here question is asking what is the daughter's age. So we don't know the daughter's age. Let it be x, the unknown quantity. Let the daughter's age equal to x years. Okay. Now according to the question we will solve. Now according to the question, Sunil is 48 years old, and also it is telling that he is 7 years less than 5 times his daughter's age. So who is there? Sunil. So Sunil's age is how much? That is 48. So Sunil's age is 48, and he is 7 years less than 5 times his daughter's age. 5 times means how much? 5x. So that is 5x, and less than how much? Less than 7. So that is 5x minus 7. Try to understand. So Sunil's age is given 48. His age is same as 5 times his daughter's age minus 7. That means less than 7 years. So if you solve this equation, we will get find out the value of x, and that is the daughter's age. Okay. So or 48 equal to, see, 48 here 5x minus 7 is there. So that's first of all the 7 will be transposed. Minus 7 will be transposed to other side. If 7 will be transposed, its sign is minus. So it is going to left hand side, it becomes plus. So that is plus 7 equal to 5x. Okay. Or 48 plus 7. How much that is? That is 55 equal to 5x, or we can write like this, 5x equal to 55, because both the statements are same, both the equations are same. 55 equal to 5x is same as 5x equal to 55. Now we have to find out the x value. Here we see that in x 5 is multiplied, so 5 to be transposed to other side. So or x equal to 55 upon 5, because 5 is multiplied with x here. When transposed to other side, it will be divided. When multiplied is there, it will be divided. When divided is there, you have to multiply. So here 5 is multiplied. When it is transposed, that 5 will be divided with 55. So what is the result? 5 11 ja 55. So 5 11 ja 55. What is got here? X value was 11. What is 11? That is 11 years. And what is x? That is daughter's age. So write down what question is asking. What is his daughter's age? So therefore, his daughter's age is how much? 11 years. So it is very solution is we got 11 years. Now look at question number 15. In question number 15, it said that find 3 consecutive numbers whose sum is 81. What do you mean by, first try to understand what do you mean by consecutive number. A consecutive number means the serial number, one by one. Okay, nearby number we can say. So if a number is x, then what is its next number? Its next number will be x plus 1. If 1 is there, what is the next number? That is 2. Means 1 plus 1 is 2. What is the next number of 2? That is 2 plus 1 3. So let the consecutive numbers are, let the consecutive numbers are what? X Next one will be x plus 1. Next one will be x plus 2. So these are three consecutive numbers. Okay. Then the question is say that find three consecutive numbers whose sum is given. What is the sum is given? That is 81. So according to the question, its sum, that means x plus 1 plus x plus 2. What is given? This three sum, that is equal to 81. In the question it is given 81. So now try to solve this equation. That is x plus x. How much? 3x. Plus 1 plus 2, how much? 3. Equal to how much? In the right hand side, that is 81. Right? 81. Okay. Or so now this 3 is to be transposed to other side. When 3 will be transposed, it become how much? 81 minus 3, because 3 sign is plus here. When it is transposed means its sign will be changed, that is minus 3. So what is 81 minus 3? That is 78. Or 3x equal to 78. Or see here 3 is multiplied with x. That x value you have to find out. Here 3 is multiplied with x. When it is transposed, it become divided with 78. So x equal to 78 divided with 3. So what do we get the solution? Quotient 3 2 is 6. 7 minus 6 is 1, 18. 3 6 is 18. So what you got x value? X is 26. That is the first consecutive number. And what is the second consecutive number? That is x plus 1. So right. So x plus 1 will be how much? X plus 1 will be 26 plus 1. That is 27. Then x plus 2 will be how much? That is 26 plus 2. That is 28. So in the question asking what are the three, find out the three consecutive numbers. Write down therefore. So what to write? Therefore three consecutive numbers are what? Starting from 26. That is 26, 27 and 28. These are the three consecutive numbers. I hope you understand these 4 word problems. In the home you practice it. Okay.